Shout out, shout out to all my friends and supporters. I'm sharing my breakfast with you this morning. Yes, a very simple idea, but yet extraordinary to me. Yes, it's healthy. Yes, and this is what I'm going to have for my breakfast this morning. On my plate is English muffin and some fried dumplings. Yes, fried dumplings from flour dumpling that was boiled the day before. So it is sliced and fried. Yes, and also I have fried plantains. Yes, and over here I have some egg whites. Yes, that is egg white, only egg white, no yolk. Yes, I have to protect myself from the cholesterol, control it. So, that is egg white, and that is flour dumpling made from flour and fried. That is fried plantain. And over here, that is sardines, sardine steak. And here is broccoli. Yes, broccoli. So this is a healthy breakfast. So this is what I'm having here this morning. Yes, while watching PMTV. Yes, watching my friend in Indonesia. PMTV contents on the road. Yes, doing a road trip. I love the road trip videos. It's beautiful. Shows the wonderful, beautiful countryside. Yes, of Indonesia. It is looking beautiful over there. It is looking very beautiful. So I'm listening to the beautiful music of the 50s and the 60s on PM TV video. Yes. So this is my breakfast, my friends. So this is what I'm having here today. So I'm sharing it with you. Again, that is English muffin. That is egg white, pure egg white, no yolk, just egg white fried. And fried dumplings. Yes, the dumpling was boiled, was cooked in hot water with salt and then sliced and fried this morning. And some plantains and some sardines with onions, black pepper. Yes. And on my plate is broccoli. Yes, you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery. So I'm trying to eat healthy and trying to stay healthy because of my health issues. Thank you very much. Please continue to support my channel. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. This is Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV.